I just went to my urologist on my semi-annual checkup and he did a PSA score. And over a 6-month period, my score quadrupled. He said, well, I think it's time that we do a biopsy. So we did a biopsy and he found cancer cells. He wanted to treat me, and as much as I loved my urologist, I immediately called Moffitt and said, can someone help me? And it's the place to go if you have cancer. I wanted to be treated by the best.
Robert represents a lot of men with prostate cancer, a very early cancer, which is a very scary situation in a person's life, especially if one hasn't been confronted with cancer. It changes a person's life. And traditionally, the treatment for prostate cancer was either to take it out or to radiate the whole prostate.
They directed me to Dr. PowSang. I remember thinking at the time, wow, this is probably why Moffitt Cancer Center is one of the best around, because all the good doctors come here. And I'm thinking, like, this is like the perfect doctor. He cares, he's concerned, and when I bring up a concern, he addresses it, reacts to it, deals with it.
Robert was very motivated and wanted to participate in a clinical trial using what is called ablative technology to put a needle into the cancer.
And I learned that it was done previously with liver cancers and with high success, and now Dr. PowSang wanted to test it to see if it would be a good treatment, alternate treatment for prostate cancer. It uses radio frequency to generate heat and some sort of electrical charge and attack specific cells and just destroy the cell.
These newer technologies with the promise that would allow to preserve better sexual function, urinary function, and let the patient recover quicker while dealing with the cancer.
And I was fearful that I would not be as active or that something would happen. But to be honest, after the procedure, the next day I walked 5 miles. 7 weeks later, I ran the Gasparilla race.
Surgery has evolved specifically with robotics. One is able to do what one could consider microsurgery in a large field. One has instruments that are very small and very flexible. So it's like a watchmaker doing carpentry work.
They felt like they were able to successfully destroy all the cancer cells. Right now, they say I'm cured.
To learn more, call 1-888-MOFFIT or visit Moffitt.org.